Selling information doesn't work. And if you're somebody who is trying to build an audience and to take this expertise of yours to teach your audience how to do something, you actually do come from a place of service, and you're thinking that you can package this information and sell it and make a living, generate revenue. Unfortunately, that's not going to happen.
Well, he's talking about selling courses. Every day, I get hit up by my followers on social media like Instagram. They keep asking me, Mosh, are you another course seller? I mean, do you sell course? You make money from selling course? My answer is no, I don't sell courses. But I have a program which is 99% done for you. Complete beginners can make money from it. And that program has a tiny course, which is a tiny part of the whole program. My question is, how am I gonna transfer the information, the education, the knowledge that I have to you so you can get results like me without actually packaging up in a form of recorded videos and slap them on a membership site? Is there any other way? Well, whatever you say, there is no other way. But it is true that courses are dead. I mean, and if you want to make a living out of courses, out of selling courses, then you're gonna get disappointed. Pat Flynn is an old marketer. I know him for years. I don't know him in person, but I know his content. I love his content. So if you want to follow him, go give him a follow. But he's a marketer, and just like any other marketer, he's gonna try to sell you something, and there is nothing wrong with that. If this is wrong for you, then you should not be here anyway. Now, I do understand that you have either a 9-to-5 day job, or you have a business and you are here to learn about either a side hustle or another side business that will help you make some extra money. And you are at the right place. So I will show you step by step what does not work right now and what works right now. And from time to time, I will try to advertise my products, my services as well. If you are allergic to that, just ignore them, close your eyes or close your ears, or you may leave this video as well if you want. But if you stay here, you will learn a lot, like from real people who are doing real business, getting real results. And while talking about real results, I'm not talking about myself that I did 8 figures using digital marketing, affiliate marketing, selling digital product software courses. I'm talking about my students who made real money, high ticket affiliate commissions using our 99% done for you system. All these people are real people, are complete beginners just like you. They either have a 9-to-5 or they have another business. All they did is signed up to our program. Now, talking about our program, it comes with a free video where we transparently show you what we do, how we do, and how we help beginners, just like these guys. You can watch the video and decide whether the program is for you or not. If it is for you, at the end of the video, you'll get a chance to join the program. And if you don't like it, that's awesome. We still love you. And you can get all my content always free. Okay, enough about my program. Let's go get to the main point. Oh, before we go there, link to the free video training where we show our business, how we help our beginners, is in the description below. And if you're watching from my website, somewhere below this video, you'll find a button or a link where you can click and you can get to that video page on my website and watch the full video for free.
And it's sad to say, especially as somebody who has been selling online courses since 2017. But in 2022, we noticed some things. And we definitely made a change in our business to be able to not just survive, but thrive in this new space. And I want to share with you exactly how to do that.
Don't worry about it. As usual, I have already done my homework. I analyzed the whole video, the whole model using AI. I studied and I completely agree with Pat. I should say go and watch Pat's video, but instead of watching another free lecture, I would rather make it scientific, step by step, so you can learn something and take away something tangible that you can implement right now and start getting some results. So let's do that. Pat is talking about a model called growth. So it's a 6-step system. This is working right now, and probably it will work for a long time because this 6-step process gets people real result.
First, let's go into some of the data to show you. People aren't buying online courses like they used to. In 2020, we were at the height because everybody was at home because of the pandemic. But then over time, in the next couple of years, people got overloaded and just tired. And you probably aren't buying online courses. We saw it on our end as well. People just were not buying online courses as much as they used to. It used to be so easy. We're past that golden era of just selling information now.
People are not buying courses because everyone is selling courses now. Somebody did something, they'll make a course and sell it. Somebody bought that course, did something else, and they will make a course and sell it. And with AI, everybody is making courses using AI and selling it. So people are overloaded with available millions of courses and they don't know which one to buy and who to buy from.
But number two, those who are buying online courses are seeing abysmal completion rates. I mean, we're talking industry-wide 5 to 15%, which means 5 out of every 100 students who pay for an online course are completing it.
I will give you a crazy example. This is live example from my experience. So we have this group, 4,500 members. I posted in this group. It was back in May 18th May 2024. Just recorded a complete step-by-step course, how I made $15,362 from an AI written book. Who wants a free review access? Did you understand that? Is we made $15,000. Let me show you what was that about. I think this one, yes. So can you see this little 17,000? Let me take a screenshot that will help you. Good. So I've taken a screenshot and look at this. This 17,000 you see, this came from a book funnel. You see this little book, this book. So back then we made like $15,000 something dollars. And then later we made total $17,000, but actually we made $6,000 more from this book alone. But those guys, those customers bought other stuff from these other funnels, So some of those sales went here and there. But this is what I'm talking about. Let's talk about this $17,000. These $17,000 were made by selling a book which we wrote using AI. It took us total 3 days to write the book, to write the whole sales copy. And let me show you the sales copy. What was the type of, the size of sales copy I'm talking about. So this is the kind of sales copy I'm talking about. It's super long, around 8,000 words sales copy, 8,000 words with all those testimonials, etc., blah, blah. It took us total 3 days, guys, just 3 days to complete the whole book, 200-page book, the whole sales copy, 8,000 words, and the whole sales funnel behind it. And the reason we did that was when we made our program, and the program was high price program, like the program I'm talking about where the students earned high ticket commission. Now this program is a high price program. And a lot of our audience don't want to spend a lot of money on a program just like that without knowing more about it. And some people even don't have the ability to spend that much money. So we thought, why not we try to give people the information, not the whole program, the information at a low price, very low price, affordable to literally anyone. And we will break down the whole program into funnel upsells so they can decide which part they want to take or not. Okay, and at the end, we also put our program at the end of this funnel. So if anybody wants to, they can upgrade to the main program. Together, all these, we made this $17,000, right? Sounds good? Yes or no? Definitely yes. Now here's the thing. After we made this money, we thought, hey, we used AI to do the whole thing. Why not? We make a course on how we used AI to write this book, make this sales funnel, and give away for free and see what happens. So this is what we did. We went to this group of ours, okay, let's go. And we said, hey, we made this course. Who wants a free review access? Guess what happened? 165 comments. It's interesting. The group is of 4,500 people. I tagged everyone, but only 165 comments we received so far. Good? Okay. Now here's an interesting thing. We did advertisement through our social media. We gave away on Instagram, Facebook, everywhere. Total 120 plus accesses for free. And we got tons of crazy feedback from people that they loved the course. But guess what? How many people did you think came back to us and gave us a feedback? Okay, let me give you a quick information here. When we gave away free access, we told people that they have to give us a feedback, not a testimonial. We don't want a testimonial. We want a feedback. Are you ready to give me a feedback? They said, yes, we'll give you a feedback. I said, when will you give me a feedback? They gave me a date and time. And out of 120 plus people who got access to that course, only 20-ish people, like 23 or something people came back and gave us a real feedback. What does that mean? People don't have time and interest to go through online courses anymore. Even if it's free, Even if it's valuable, even if it's paid, doesn't matter. Even in our program where so many people made so much money, do you know why these people made money and why so many people did not make money? I have checked with them. I asked them. They did not go through the course. They did not go through the information they paid for. Now you might be asking, Mosh, oh my God. So people don't take your course. I mean, they don't go through. Well, that's what we solved in our program, not a course, program. That's why so many people are getting results, making money, solve that problem. So even if they don't go through the full course, they can still make money. And I'm gonna come back to that. Let's go back what Pat has to say. So G stands for get real data of what's going on right now. And we know people are fed up with online courses. They don't want another course. Simple.
Why information no longer is of value. And it's because there is so much information out there. I mean, back then, information was valuable, right? When I started my first online course, it was in 2008. I was selling information to help people pass an exam.
That's interesting, and probably still you can do that too. But now, in order to pass exams, people are using AI to solve their exam problems.
This information did not exist anywhere online.
That's an important thing to consider. He was doing something that others were not doing. Take a note, guys. A unique solution to a problem.
Paid to get access to it, passed their architectural exams, and I got paid, and that was great.
It was great when his students of his course got results. That's an important note to take. Whether you're selling course or a program or whatever we are going to discuss right now, without customers' results, you're not going to make money out of it. So step number 2, results-driven focus. So if courses are not working anymore, if people are not buying anymore, and you cannot make money selling courses anymore, then how to make money?
Number 1, do it for them. This is what we like to call a service. Now, what's interesting is you may have started a service and tried to then convert it into an online course to try to automate it or generate passive income from that. That is much, much harder to do now, again, for the same reason.
And that's why we are not doing it. It's called done for you. You do it for others. Yes, it is a service, but it's an elimination of the friction where the students have to go through a course and do it themselves. Instead, whether people consume the course elements or not, you do the hard work for them. And that's what we are doing in our program. Yeah, you should watch the free training. Don't be lazy. It's free training. Go watch it. It's in the description. So here is the course of our main program where we have 96 lessons. I know that most of our students will not go through the whole thing, so we did not leave it on them. We put links and instructions in every step. So for example, in the first step section, we let our students learn everything themselves, but at the same time, instead of leaving it to them, we ask for their information so we can build everything for them. Literally all the technical work. We build their marketing funnel, the webinar, the training pages, the whole email automation system. Every single technical thing is done for you. This course is just an information whether they watch those videos or not.
There's so much of that information freely available. A service is a great way to help people because you can be the person to actually implement and do the things for them. A lot of people wish they had a skill or don't have the time to do something. And if you can do it for them, you can get paid.
That's true. That's why people love our program. Our students love our program. And you can see this is our Warrior Plus account where we listed our program. And look at this. We have 36 4.11 rating. Our students simply love it. So if you can deliver your service, also give them information in the form of a course, and whether they go through the course or not, they still get everything done for you by you, then they will love you.
Let's move on to number 2. Do it with them. What is this exactly? Well, this is either coaching or consulting.
This is amazing. In coaching or consulting, you stay connected with your customers or your audience or your students, and you deliver your expertise via your advice. So it can be via a Zoom meeting or a WhatsApp group or Telegram group, or it can even be one-on-one.
So instead of just literally doing the thing for them, you are walking them through the process. You're taking them with you on that journey. You're doing it with.
I completely agree with that. And interestingly, we have implemented that as well in our program. When our students join our program, they join this private mastermind group or coaching group or a community. And this is where they can get access to us, mentors, and other like-minded students. So far, we have 400 members join this group. There are more than 150 members never joined this group. I don't know why. Maybe they thought that it's going to be another spam group, but this is absolutely not that kind of group. We do not spam anything. We do not try to sell anything in this group. It's completely value and coaching group. Not only that, we have weekly coaching call. So in these coaching calls, our students are invited to stay on the call as long as they want and keep asking questions as long as they want. And if they don't have any questions, then I personally share what I have been doing, my team has been doing for the last 1 week. So they can stay updated on what's working right now, what's not working right now. And if they have any question about anything that they're doing but not getting much results, or maybe they're making mistakes, or they're in doubts while taking the simple steps. But in this way, we stay geared up, we keep taking action and keep getting results. So Done With You is already implemented in our program. It's not a separate program. Our students don't have to pay separately for consultancy or calls or masterminds or coaching and access to the community. And that's why our success rate is so high. So Pat's advice is to segment your work, like Done For You, Done With You, and others, and make them different offers so you can make more money. That's what we could have done. But instead of that, we put them all together in one place, giving them as a Done For You and a Done With You and a complete program, and basically get our students excited to take action and get results for them.
This is something that you can also charge quite a bit for, and it does require your time, and it still can benefit from more of an agency type model if you have people who represent the process that you teach, sure.
See what I have just told you? He's showing you to make more money by offering Done With You stuff separately. We didn't do that. We combined it in one program. So these steps are offer services, which is Done For You. W stands for walkthrough coaching, which is Done With You. And T stands for team accountability, which is access to a community group, work together with the team with full accountability and get results. And you have noticed we are doing all this in our program without offering separately and without charging separately extra.
The business model change that we made at SPI, which takes us to number 3. Doing it with others, that's community. Or cohorts, right? You can run people in groups through what it is that you're teaching because that accountability is there. And studies have shown that people are more likely to succeed when doing the thing that they're doing alongside other people. I mean, think about going to the gym. It's so much easier to go to the gym when you know a buddy's going to be there, or you have somebody to call you on the day that you don't want to wake up, or you're late to go out on that run, whatever it is. You know that inherently, that it's so much easier to do that.
And that's why our students are so much successful. Alhamdulillah. This is so exciting and so nice to see when a student earns a commission, especially a high ticket commission like this. Last but not least, H is about high price. Do things that you can charge high price for. $1,000, $5,000, $10,000, even $100,000. I cannot cover all this in one video, but you have to figure it out. When you are able to charge high price for your services, you can make life-changing income. I hope this video was eye-opening and helpful, and also a little bit of transparency and go through of our program. So in case you want to consider, at least watch the free training where we transparently show how we run our business, how we use AI, how we drive traffic, how we make high ticket affiliate commissions, and how we help beginners. Then check the link in the description, or if you're watching from my website, check the link below this video or the button below this video that will take you to the main training, and you will literally learn everything. At the end, you will know how you can sign up to our program if you want to. But if you don't worry about it. We are still friends. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, and share this video with your friends and family if you think this was helpful. And make sure you watch these 2 videos here. They will help you make money, drive traffic, and build a business if you want. And we'll see you in the next video.